Hi there. Let's talk about variables. Variables is a very important programming concept. It is a base of short memory in the program. We often want to pass and store data during the program execution. For example, we have a program that adds two numbers received from the user and prints the results to the screen. We need to store these numbers somewhere in the program, and variables can help us to do this. Variables are just labeled pieces of data, for example, numbers, and they can be changed during the program execution. We can imagine that variables are boxes with different names and some content inside. Each box has a different and unique name. Variables can store expression values, like numbers or strings. As you remember, a program consists of instructions, expressions, and declarations. Let's see an example of a declaration. A variable declaration is just like the creation of a new box with the name we want. To declare a variable in JavaScript, you would use the special word var. Please note that when we declare a variable, we just create a new labeled box, but we don't put anything in there, so the box, or the variable, remains empty. An empty box or variable is not very useful, so let's learn how to put something inside it. To assign a value to a variable, or to put something inside a box, we could use a special assignment operator, equals. If we try to assign a value to a variable that does not exist, the program will show an error. Each box has enough space for only one value. So, if we assign a new value to some non-empty variable, its old value just disappears. It means that before we put something in a box, we should get everything out of it. We can connect a variable declaration with a variable assignation to keep program code shorter and more readable. To use variables in the code, we just write their names. A computer will automatically replace each variable with its value during the program execution. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can use variables in your code.